Bell peppers, also known as sweet peppers or capsicums, are among the most colorful and nutritious vegetables on the planet. Their bright red, yellow, green, and even orange varieties have become staples in kitchens around the world. But behind every vibrant bell pepper is a fascinating process that starts on farms and ends in grocery store aisles. In recent years, global demand for bell peppers has exploded, especially with their popularity in health-conscious diets and international cuisines. This surge has led to the adoption of modern farming technologies that help meet massive production needs. In this video, we'll explore how bell peppers are grown, harvested, and processed using advanced machines. Bell peppers are grown in many parts of the world, including the US, Mexico, Spain, the Netherlands, and China. These regions offer warm climates, fertile soils, and access to modern infrastructure, ideal conditions for large-scale pepper farming. Commercial farms can span hundreds of acres or operate high-tech greenhouses where every element, from temperature to humidity, is tightly controlled. These operations ensure that peppers grow faster, remain disease-free, and yield higher quality fruits. Whether in open fields or glass-enclosed farms, the goal remains the same: produce tons of fresh, vibrant bell peppers consistently to meet growing demand in local and international markets. Before any peppers can grow, the soil must be carefully prepared. Farmers begin by plowing and enriching the soil with organic matter and nutrients, ensuring ideal conditions for seedling development. Proper drainage and pH levels are also critical. In many commercial farms, this is done using automated seeders that plant rows with pinpoint accuracy and speed. As the seedlings mature, they're moved into the main fields or greenhouses. Spacing, sunlight exposure, and soil moisture are closely monitored to give each plant the best possible start. Controlled environments allow farmers to grow peppers year-round with fewer pests and diseases. Inside greenhouses, hydroponic systems and climate controls help maintain optimal growing conditions. Peppers grow vertically on trellises, and automated systems supply water and nutrients with precision, reducing waste. Open field farming, while more traditional, is still widely used. Here, peppers benefit from natural sunlight and wind, but farmers rely on advanced irrigation, pest management, and crop monitoring tools to maintain crop health and yields. Growing healthy bell peppers requires diligent care. Farmers use drip irrigation systems that deliver water directly to the plant roots, minimizing water waste and preventing disease caused by excess moisture. Nutrient-rich fertilizers are applied at key growth stages to boost flowering and fruit development. These are often delivered through irrigation lines in a process known as fertigation, ensuring plants receive consistent nourishment. Pest and disease control is critical. Farmers use integrated pest management, IPM, which combines biological controls, targeted spraying, and crop rotation to keep peppers healthy without overusing chemicals. When the peppers reach maturity, they're ready for harvest. Each color represents a different stage of ripeness. Green peppers are picked earlier, while red and yellow ones are left to ripen longer on the vine. Traditionally, harvesting was done by hand to avoid damaging the fruit. Today, many farms use semi-automated or fully mechanical harvesters equipped with soft rubber fingers and sensors to gently pluck peppers from the plants. This mechanization helps farms harvest tons of peppers quickly while maintaining quality and reducing labor costs. Once harvested, bell peppers are transported to sorting facilities where they undergo a meticulous grading process. Here, they are inspected for size, shape, color uniformity, and any visible defects. Advanced optical sensors can detect imperfections that are invisible to the naked eye, ensuring only premium-grade peppers go to market. Grading not only ensures quality but also helps match peppers to their intended use, whether for fresh markets, frozen products, or food processing industries. In large facilities, peppers move through washing tunnels where high-pressure water jets and gentle brushes remove dirt, debris, and residues. Some systems use sanitizing sprays or ozone treatments to kill bacteria without affecting the pepper's texture or flavor. The goal is to achieve food-grade cleanliness while maintaining the pepper's bright, appealing appearance. After cleaning, peppers are dried using soft air blowers to prevent moisture-related spoilage during packaging and transportation. Clear plastic trays, breathable bags, and branded cartons are commonly used. Labels include information about the farm, variety, weight, and origin. After packing, The peppers enter a cold chain logistics system that keeps them fresh from farm to store. Refrigerated trucks and containers maintain the right temperature throughout the journey. From regional warehouses to international distribution hubs, bell peppers are shipped across countries and continents to meet demand in major grocery chains and food service industries. Bell pepper farming has come a long way, combining nature with technology to deliver nutritious food on a global scale. Farmers, scientists, and engineers continue to innovate to meet future challenges like climate change and sustainability.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.